All right, we're on day one. We're going to start going through inventory, looking at the bill of lading and the erection manual so that we can make sure we got everything, and then start setting stuff up so we can start putting it together. So we have our workbench set up. Let me show you that. It's pretty sweet. Here's our workbench. And I'm gonna have to get some weights so that these papers don't fly around. And we got a pretty sweet stool. That was Grandpa's. Grandma's moving, so she had us help her this morning. We got a pretty sweet stool to sit down on when we get tired. So let's get started. I figured out how to keep the wind from blowing these around. That's what you use a 32mm wrench for. Alright, we picked the first piece. We're learning this as we go. Alright, here's problem number one with trying to set up the shop 2 years after I started it. Concrete pad was done a year ago, and we went to go set the first post, and I was getting in a hurry because I was so excited to set it up. And when I was going to look for the hardware, I found all the nuts for the all thread, but I couldn't find the washers. So here we are in the parking lot of Ace. Had to run and buy a whole bunch of 3/4 inch washers. So we're on our way back right now so we can actually try and do this. Alright, we got the first column in there. I had to run to go get washers because after a year of waiting for the building to show up after the pad was poured, I have no idea where I put the other washers, so whatever. Gotta go grab one more of these uprights, and then one of these, I think it's called a purlin. I'm gonna grab one of those ones, and then we can have one side tied together. So we gotta grab one of the 3 of those. That's the next thing. Beam number 2, or column, or whatever the heck it is called. First big mistake. We got to take both of those back down because we put them on there backwards. So we got practice the first time. We're going to go ahead and pick them up and turn them 180 degrees. Here we go. Don't tell anybody, but we installed these 180 degrees off, so we got to fix it. Our fuck up, and we learned from it. We're not going to do it with the other one. And now I gotta unhook it, and we could put a girt. I think that's what it's called. Put a girt on there. See if I could do this one-handed without dropping anything. Wish me luck. I use both hands. I'm a cheater. Oh, if we were drag racing, Dad would be winning right now. The telehandler. That thing's fast. This thing's not as fast. Alright, we also need that's a 5/8. Not 5/8, right? I believe that's a 3/4. Totally. Those. 3/4 inch wrench. Yeah, but I don't know how far we're gonna get today. Yeah. You have my sled wrench? Alright. We got that thing up there. We're making progress. And it's only taken us like 7,000 hours so far. Alright, now that we did these columns twice, just because we had so much fun, now we gotta figure out how to square them and level them. So, this has got to be here. This way, not super far. Ooh, that's pretty darn cool. Try to shift the top of it over a little bit. Alright, we'll test the threads out before we set a beam down. Oh shit is going down. Got a beam. Got two beams. And then Dad's over here bringing the fourth beam. Making progress. Dad has got the Midas touch in that thing. Pretty gentle with it. He doesn't even get that beam swinging very much. calling it an end of day one. We got all of that done. It's a grand total of 10 pieces. But we got it done. I'm just going around picking up stuff. And we'll get back at it tomorrow.